In the wave of intelligent manufacturing, Shanhe Machine has always been at the forefront. Since its establishment in 1994, we have always focused on manufacturing excellent post-press equipment, providing you with intelligent, efficient, and reliable solutions, and leading the future of the post-press equipment manufacturing industry. For more than 30 years, Shanhe Machine has gradually become a leader in the field of post-press equipment with continuous technological innovation and excellent quality control. In 2019, we invested 120 million yuan to launch a fully automatic, intelligent, and environmentally friendly post-press integrated machinery and equipment project, further enhancing our manufacturing capabilities and technical strength. Every Shanhe equipment has undergone strict quality testing to ensure that every machine meets international standards. Our equipment has the international CE certification of Istituto Giordano, Italy, and our products are sold overseas and trusted by customers. At Shanhe Machine, we are well aware that technological innovation is the driving force behind corporate development. To this end, we continue to increase our investment in research and development and cooperate with leading universities and research institutions around the world to promote the leap forward of intelligent post-press equipment technology. Our equipment, such as flute laminator, film laminator, die cutter, and hot stamping machine, meets the diverse needs of our global customers with superior performance and stability. Our equipment and service teams cover the world and are highly regarded by customers for high quality, efficiency, and high technology. At Shanhe Machine, we take technological innovation, customer-first, quality-oriented as our core concept, and are committed to continuously optimizing products, improving services, and striving to become the industry leader. In the future, we will continue to promote the development of intelligent manufacturing technology and lead the innovation trend of the global post-press equipment industry. Shanhe Machine Intelligent Manufacturing helps the future. Welcome to join us and open a new chapter of post-press equipment.